Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme C51 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. In this video, I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. The first one will show you how to block the contact, so the number you've got currently saved. And the second way is more manual, so you do not have to have the number saved on your contact list. So let's start with your contacts. Let's open them. And here, let's find the contact you want to block and tap. Then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block if you are ready. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that from now on this number is blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this because we will check if it will appear on the blacklist. Now let's go back. And the second way, as I said, is more manual. So let's tap on the three dots icon, or maybe not. We have to, I think, go back to the dialer, unfortunately. So it is not in one place as it was before, but the second way is through the dialer. So let's open it and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we can tap on settings. And here, as you can see in the general section, we've got blocked numbers. And here we've got our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So the first option also works. And as I said, this way is more manual because here we have to tap on add a number. And as you can see, we can enter the number on the keypad. Of course, you can enter it or simply paste it if you've got it copied and then tap on block. And as you can see, it will also immediately appear on the blacklist. If you want to, you can unblock those numbers just by tapping on this X button and tapping on unblock. And you can also decide whether you want to block all calls from all unidentified callers. It's up to you, just use the switcher to turn it on and turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.